Looking for a budget mechanical keyboard under $50 that actually feels premium? Well, the Tecware Phantom S 75% compact layout mechanical keyboard might just be the best deal you'll find. With a gasket mount, RGB lighting, wireless connectivity, and even a customizable LCD screen, all for just $49. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's find out if it really delivers. So inside the box, you get the Phantom S keyboard, a user guide, a braided USB-C cable, a keycap switch puller, 4 extra Tecware red switches, and of course, pretty standard but nicely packed and well protected. The keyboard comes only in black with a mix of gray and black shine-through keycaps. It's a 75% compact layout, so no numpad, but you still get a function row. The build is plastic, but honestly it feels solid with no wobble while typing. On the left, there's a slider for connectivity, USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth. On the right, a volume knob and that cool 0.85-inch customizable LCD display where you can upload GIFs or check your battery and connectivity. The base has adjustable kickstands, and there's even a slot to store the 2.4 GHz receiver. Small touches, but they matter. One thing though, it attracts dust, so you'll need to clean it often. The Phantom S comes with hot-swappable, pre-lubed Tecware red linear switches and ABS shine-through keycaps. They feel smooth, with a nice deep thocky sound, and the RGB lighting really pops through the legends. For a $50 keyboard, this feels surprisingly premium. Speaking of RGB, you get 16.8 million colors, 19 lighting modes, and they're much brighter than a lot of keyboards in this price range. You can control them directly with shortcuts like FN and arrows, or with the software for more customization. Definitely a win for RGB lovers. Thanks to the gasket mount and multi-layered foam dampening, typing feels smooth and comfortable. The travel is responsive, and combined with the linear reds, it gives you that nice balance between gaming speed and typing comfort. Honestly, it feels way better than what you'd expect at this price point. Connectivity is solid. You get wired USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless. I tested both wireless and Bluetooth, no lag, no drops, and instant reconnection. For gaming, I'd still stick to wired, but the wireless options are flawless. Battery life is claimed at 4,000 mAh up to 400 hours, but with full RGB and LCD on, I got around 11 hours non-continuous use and still had plenty left. Not quite 400 hours, but definitely good enough. So, is the Tecware Phantom S the best budget keyboard under $50? Honestly, yes. For just $49, you're getting features like a gasket mount, tri-mode connectivity, RGB, pre-lubed switches, and even an LCD display. Sure, it's plastic and you lose the numpad, but those are small trade-offs for what you're paying. If you want a premium mechanical keyboard experience on a budget, the Tecware Phantom S is absolutely worth it.